Are you a gardener or have a garden lover in your life? Then let me show you how this becomes a 5-tier planting system. This is by Vasilo, and this comes with everything you need to be able to pot up 15 plants. You could have them all the same, all different, but this system I really like. It's got a different things that I haven't seen in other of these tiered planters. So let's go ahead and get started. So your base you're going to start with, this is nice because it comes with casters. So if you have this on a porch or balcony, be very easy to move. So we'll go ahead, we'll stick all these in. All right. Then you're simply going to just place all of these one by one on the base. And then this is what I really love about these. These have the, they call them soil separators. So what it allows is you to have some airflow under your plants. And that's just how beneficial for the plant overall to get that air to the root system. So go ahead, we'll finish putting this together. So I went ahead and I got the chain on here, and then I showed you how it connects in the bottom. And that's really helpful for when you need to move it around, just keep things all together. My garden center isn't open yet, so I can't put plants in here yet, but like I said, you can hold 15 different plants in here. This would make a great gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday. You could assemble it, very easy, took minutes. Fill it with dirt and fill it with your gardener's favorite plants. So really an awesome 5-tier vertical system. Oh, and I did forget to mention about the watering. This also has self-watering as well. So you water the top 2 tiers and then they drip from their drain holes down to the other plants. So really a unique system, you know, allows you to have mobility, whether you need it in shade or in sun. But yeah, love it. The vertical planter by Vasilo.